Hello guys, welcome to my video, and let's talk about ArrayList and LinkedList. What is ArrayList and LinkedList? ArrayList is a resizable or dynamic array from the java.util package and can grow or shrink automatically as elements are added or removed, unlike regular arrays with a fixed size. It is also can be helpful in programs where lots of manipulation in the array is needed. It can also dynamically add and remove items, and it also automatically resizes itself. First, for using an array list, you should import it first using import space java.util.arraylist. And to create it, just use ArrayList. Next, the data type, and next is the name. It's equals to new ArrayList and bracket and the paragraph. Note, in the place in names, you can use any word or numbers because this is what you want to call in your ArrayList. And let's talk about the characteristics of an ArrayList. It has index access. Elements can be accessed using their index, just like arrays. And about index, it starts with 0 and it ends for what element you have used in that index. And it also allows duplicates. Duplicate elements are allowed. Then it maintains insertion order. Elements are stored in the order that they are inserted. And by default, ArrayList is not read safe, meaning it cannot synchronize on any concurrent access. Next is the common methods of an ArrayList. First, you can use the add, and you just simply name any element, and that adds an element to the end of the list. Then next is the add int index and the element. Here you should insert any element at a specific index. Example, like you want to insert new data, just simply point any index and write what element you want to use. Next is get int index. It retrieves the element at a specific index. And then next, set. It replaces the element at a specific index. Next, remove. It removes the element at a specific index. Then size and clear. It returns and removes the elements of the list. Now let's code for the array list. First, it's do that import java.util.arraylist. Then the next, the ArrayList, and for this note, every data type you should capitalize the first letter, and all the data type you should capitalize like that. Integer, then the name, let's put numbers, and equals to new ArrayList, then the signs. First, let's add data in numbers. Just use numbers, then dot add, then what you want to add in numbers is, let's say 12, then that. Now next, let's add more numbers, that add, then 13. Next, last, let's at 15. And how to access this, just type system.out.print and use the name, numbers, and let's run. Here, as you can see, it built like an array, but just access the data inside the array, and it will first connect your first element to the array, and then so on. Now let's talk about linked list. Linked list is a part of Java collection framework. It's represent in the java.util package. It is also like the ArrayList. Then it implements a doubly linked list data structure where elements are not stored in contiguous memory. Each node contains two parts, data and references to the next and previous nodes. And to use linked list, you import it first using import space java.util.linkedList. It is also like the array list. And creating it, you should use linked list and data type. Example, the name of your wanted in the linked list, and then equals new linked list, and then the size and characteristics of a linked list. It has a dynamic size where it grows or shrinks dynamically at runtime. Then it maintains insertion order, and it allows duplicates, and it's also not synchronized, but it is efficient in insertion and deletion. And then the common methods, it is also like the ArrayList, but linked list, it has many methods, but this is the common methods you can use in linked list. First is the add first, where you insert an element in the beginning of the list, or add last, or the add, where you insert an element at a specified index. And next, remove first, where you can use the pop, remove last, then remove the first occurrence of the specified element, and then remove what you want with the specified index, and then clear to remove all the element in the list. Now let's do the coding. First, import java.util.linkedList. Now next, the linked list, then let's use string now. Then names is equals to new linked list. Next, let's add some elements, and names that add, and double quote because it is a string. Let's say John, and names that add, then say him, names that add, then let's say main. Let's access that system that out that print, then names. Let's run it, and as you can see, it's like ArrayList, but it is fast in returning the elements. It first goes in the John, the next in the Kim, and then in the main. the difference of ArrayList and LinkedList. In ArrayList, the insertion is slow and it can only access data in less time. That's why it's better to use LinkedList than ArrayList. And that's all about ArrayList and LinkedList. Thank you.